Hey family, it's Buffy. How are you doing? Hope you had a good day. Well, remember my video a few days ago when I showed you the trick about the Dollar Tree wastebasket to protect your seedlings outside from pests like rabbits, squirrels, raccoons? Well, one of my sunflower seedlings has grown too big to fit in the wastebasket anymore. Now what? Come along and I'll show you what I'm going to do to hopefully keep them still away from that seedling. Okay, if you saw my video about these handy dandy Dollar Tree waste baskets and protecting your plants, then you'll know that I had them over my sunflowers. If you haven't, I'll link the video so you can go back and watch it. Well, as you can see, this one I've already taken these staples off, the garden staples, but my sunflower here is tight and it needs this to come off, so I'm going to take it off. But now it's vulnerable. So what do? Well, did you know a natural fertilizer called blood meal can also keep away pests? So that's what I'm going to add. I had Job's organic blood meal. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit around the outside here. Kind of form a barrier. And it will keep the rabbits, squirrels, and raccoons away. So again, I just sprinkled it around here, going all the way around. Well, that's it, family. I hope that tip helps. Let me know in the comments what you do to prevent them from getting to your seedlings, and let's share the advice. Let's help each other. Till the next video, all the best to you and yours. Bye for now.